how often do you look at your P&L, and how often should managers on average look at their P&L, and, does it cause bad behavior when they look at it on a daily basis?
I think so. One of my principles is that when you find yourself at the bottom of a deep well, you need to have a rope to get out. What I mean by that is that, so if I go back to 2008 and '09, so at that time, I think it was down like 65, 67% from the peak in 2007 to the bottom in March 2009, we were probably down 2/3. And I used to be managing like 600 million in 2007, and I was managing less than 200 million in 2009. And everything looked beat up, right? And so what I did, I think the rope I used at that time was I just created a spreadsheet which showed me what these businesses were worth and what the portfolio was worth. And the portfolio was actually worth more than 600 million. And so I didn't fixate on, the market value is so much and this and that, because again, we're not looking for the market to instruct us.
That's right.
We have other places to get instructed.
To
And then
serve you, as you said.
And I think from March 2009 to December 2009, the funds were up like 135%. And they kept going after that because we could see the businesses and we could see what it's worth. Even when we looked at this business in Turkey, Resas, at 20 million, I did all the due diligence. I couldn't come up with a valid reason. I asked myself whether the guys were crooks, whether everything was fraudulent, whether those places actually existed. I went and visited all the warehouses and I met the management, and they looked like perfectly honest people to me. And so I couldn't find anything wrong with it. And so we're not going to use the stock price to instruct us. We're going to use fundamentals to instruct us.